In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and Yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back, and thanks for coming back. If you're new here, I'm DJ, and this is Hither and Yon Studio, and I play with paper. And today, I'm going to play with paper again, and we are working in the November free kit. So if you didn't get your free kit, just check the description box or the pinned comment, and you can get a free kit. It's got a bunch of pages. It's got some whimsical vibes. We did an art journal. We did some greeting cards. And today I have an extra project for you. We're going to make one of these cute little quote frames. How fun is that? It's like a little box frame out of our leftover scraps, so we can use them up. So this is super easy, and I'm giving you this extra freebie, so this is your third bonus for the month. It's got some fun quotes that will fit inside the size that we're making. You can make these in all sizes, but ours is going to turn into a frame that is this size, and you can do a quote long ways or this way. I did it this one. And then I just used some of the cut aparts to decorate it. Super easy. If you've never made one of these before, stick around. It's really quick and easy. If you do quilling, you probably have seen these before. They're everywhere. All right, so our piece of paper has to be 8 by 10, and this is letter size, so it's currently 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to cut it down to 8 by 10. I hope you're all having a good day. Happy Thanksgiving to my U.S. Fans out there. So by 10, so 8 by 10. This is airing on Thanksgiving Day, 2025. And I hope you are having a good Thanksgiving or had a good Thanksgiving and you're watching this after. Had some yummy food and some good friends and family. I know I will be. All right, now we got to score it. So we're going to score it every ½ inch, and we're going to do that on 4 sides. So I'll start with this long side. It doesn't matter what side you start with because we're doing the same thing on all 4 sides. And I'm just going to use my trimmer scorer here. And so I'm going to pull it up to a ½ inch, score, move it up to 1 inch, score. Go to 1.5, so every ½ inch 4 times. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 score marks. We're going to do that on all 4 sides. I'm going to do the rest of the sides, and I'll be right back. So same thing, ½ inch, inch, 1.5, 2 inch. Okay, I am all scored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way around. And now we have to trim it up. And it might be a little hard to see on the white paper, but you basically have a grid in each corner that has 16 little boxes, okay? And so for this longer, we're going to hold it this way. So the shorter sides are on the top and bottom. And then we're going to cut, and I'll show you with the pencil. This is our last score line. We're going to cut all the way up. Okay, so we're going to cut all the way up here and all the way up here on our last score line inside. These probably aren't the best scissors. I'll use these. Okay, and then we'll flip it around 180 degrees, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So you're cutting right on your score line, and you're cutting up 4. Okay, now we're going to turn it. Now we have the long side at the top and the bottom. For this one, we're going to go again to that furthest score line, and we're going to cut up 2. Then we're going to go diagonally across this box, and then we're going to cut up 1 like that. And then on this side, same thing, we're going to cut up 2. So 2 meaning 2 score marks, 1, 2. Then we're going to go diagonally this way across that box, and then we're going to cut up 1 like that. Up, diagonal. The hardest part is just staying on your score lines and making sure they're straight. Okay, and when you're done, it'll look like this. And then you'll have this little one kind of hanging because we cut up 4 here, but we only cut up 2 here. You have this kind of little tabby. We're going to turn it around and do the exact same thing here. Cut up 2, go across 1, and up 1. Okay, and so that is what it looks like. You have the same thing on both sides here. All right, and now we're going to score.
Hey crafty friend, DJ here jumping in with a minor interruption. I just wanted to remind everybody that there's a lot of freebies over on my coffee shop. If you don't know, the link is down in the description box below, and also in the Facebook group, which is Hither and Yon Create Space on Facebook. Again, all that is down in the description box below. I hope you'll check it out. If you love freebies, if you love digitals, they're really reasonably priced, and I have a wide variety. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope you'll visit the shop, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
And not score. We're going to burnish our score marks. And you're burnishing them all the same way. Okay, so you have what looks like this. Now these two on this shorter side are not going to get any glue, okay? They're just going to kind of fold in, and this edge is going to rest right on this 4th score line, okay? And then this piece here is, we'll just kind of hold those, is going to fold over, and we'll put glue here. And then when this folds down, it miters against those and holds them in place. And when we do both sides, it will just hold it in place. And we're going to put a little glue there so that'll hold as well. Okay, so if you want to kind of dry fit it and see how it's going to go, this is sort of what it looks like. Okay, so these 2 pieces will get the glue. These 2 pieces will get some glue, but it'll really just be up here in the corner. So let's glue. All right, so I'm going to take this end flap, the last flap here on this long piece, and I'm going to put my glue on there. You don't need a lot of glue, and if you have a tape runner, you can use that. I don't like the tape runner because I kind of got to get fiddly with it. So for me, glue is the winner. And then here, I'm just going to put a little glue like this way on the corner where it's going to hit, and the same thing over here. not a lot. And then we're just going to wrap this around. Make sure this is under it. And we're going to hold that until the glue dries. All right. Just make sure everything's kind of sitting the way you want it to, in a square, in a box. You want it to be boxy. It's a frame. Okay, and then again, this last flap. And then here, we're going to just do a little here on the corner and here on the corner. All right, and then we'll fold this one down and miter that against that. Now this flap that you put the glue on just kind of tucks in here until it touches this back one. So you'll know you have it in place. Okay. And when you're done, it looks like that. Just going to push this out a little. For some reason, it's being wonky. All right, there we go. Okay. I think I need a little more glue here. Just because I was maneuvering it. All right, and then I think I will do the flowers make me happy one, and I found that I'm going to have to cut it inside that black line, and we may need to shave a little here to get it to fit inside, but we'll see. So this is going to be in the description box under the video. There's a link to these. These will also be inside your main folder for the monthly kit. So if you just go to the original email you got when you signed up to get the kit and click on the link in the original email, it'll take you into the folder, and these will be in there with all the other bonuses and the kit. Okay, so this is going to fit in there, but I do have to take it down just a little more. You know, when you're folding the box, it kind of, you know, loses its size a little. And I don't even have to glue it. It'll just kind of tuck in there, but you can definitely glue it if you want to. And then I'm going to get a couple of pieces of, oh, maybe I have some of the flowers. If not, I'll just use what I have. We have a birdie. Oh, we have this owl. Let's see. Flowers? Since it says flowers. Oh, I do. Okay. I have this one. And then, is there one more? Oh, well, we could put Granny with the flowers. How's that? And then we'll put this flower here. I like that. That's what we're doing. And there we go. And you can add, you know, other decorations if you want from the kit, but that's mine and it is done. And you can hang this up on your wall, or you can put it on your desk. You just have it out to remind you to be happy. I like this one too. It's a good day to be happy. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this month. Guys, thanks for making my birthday month the best ever. You guys gave me so many birthday wishes, and you were so kind and so sweet, as you always are. So thank you, thank you, thank you. It was a great month. I truly appreciated it. And I can't wait to see you for the next kit next month in December. So if you are new here, you might want to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I put out the new kit. That's it. We're wrapped. And so I will see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a great rest of your day or night.